can't remember in my lifetime when a trade negotiation between the United States and another major economy was out there in full bloom for everyone to watch and to be, to watch every single moment of this thing. And I feel like why would you, if you think there's any chance this thing's going to blow up, even though it might not actually have that big effect on earnings, it's going to have a huge effect on confidence around the world, not just in the United States, but every other country in the world is watching for this thing. They want the two big players in the schoolyard to kiss and make up.
And yet every single person that comes on this network, investors, strategists, economists, China watchers, say there's going to be a deal. There's just too much at stake for both economies, for both countries, politically for both leaders. It has to happen.
You'd think so. I mean, that is certainly what sensible people would say. I mean, the fact that Liu He is coming in from China, and you can't get a more senior closer than that. I mean, you could have Li Keqiang or you could have the president come, but they aren't going to come. That's not how it works. To have someone like this come in the next couple of days and to sit down with people who aren't even as high as he is, if you will, in the pecking order in the United States government. And I think it's probably likely that something will happen, but I don't know. This is a pretty quixotic government.
Rob, does it make you feel that if we do get a deal, which I guess would be a bonus for the market, but if we do, that it'll be superficial in nature? If any big issues can be ironed out over Twitter, does it suggest that we're not really negotiating anything meaningful and lasting here in the first place?
I mean, one thing that I go around the world talking to people, even in China, and about Donald Trump, and they don't love a lot of what he's doing, but they almost unanimously agree that the Chinese need to be negotiated with, and nobody else will do it. The Germans aren't going to do it. There's no internal pushback at all, particularly since they changed the constitution last year. I think any change, anything that China agrees on will be a start. But I mean, look, can we totally expect that tomorrow American companies can go in and buy it back their joint ventures or open banks and sell to the Chinese? I don't think so.